everyone. Welcome to October. I just wanted to share with you tonight a limited time opportunity that may be great for you and your life and your plans. So maybe you have considered joining 31, but money was an option or was an obstacle, I guess you'd say. We have our $99 and our $139 enrollment kit. So this is on the back of the catalog. I'm going to be doing a video very soon about my $99 enrollment kit. But the kits that you get the $99 kit comes with the products that are shown here. And then if you'd like to customize your kit, it's a $130 kit, and you get to choose your own prints for all of those, and then you get to choose your own personalization on some of those items. So that's the $99 option and the $130 option. But if money is kind of an obstacle for you, we actually have a way that you can enroll as a 31 consultant for $15. And this is good through October 15th. So basically, you just have a few more days to be able to enroll with under me as a consultant for $15. Now, with this $15 kit, you get a couple of products for this $15, and you get immediate access to all of the 31 tools. We have a whole website geared just toward marketing materials, training. So much information is at your fingertips. Plus, you get me. Plus, you get my team page where I share all kinds of things with you as well. So let's go over these $15 enrollment kits. You actually have two options. The first one is the Best Sellers Mini Enrollment Kit for $15. You're going to get a large utility tote. This is our large utility tote. It's our #1 selling product. This large utility tote's actually going to come in this plaid print. So it'll come in the plaid print, but it's the large utility tote right here. This is our #1 selling product. So you're automatically going to be set up for success with this #1 product in your hand. So you have a large utility tote, and then that will come with the Littles Carry-All Caddy in the Llama print. Okay, so that's one option for you, which is the Best Sellers Mini Kit. You'll get that that large utility tote, and then the little llama guy. So just pretend that this large utility tote's in that plaid. All right. The second option is going to be the On-the-Go Mini Enrollment Kit. Okay, I actually love this one. If you already have a large utility tote, then you may decide that you want this next option. Okay. The next option is 3 products. Okay. I'll show it's these 3 right here. Okay. Sorry, I'm not doing very good showing you guys. Okay. The first one is the Fab Fob. You'll get this in the berry print. I love this key fob. You can hook this onto a purse. You can hook it onto a backpack, really anything, and super fun, super fun. And then if you wanted to hook this onto like your key ring, you could. So the Fab Fob, you get that. This is in our catalog for $8. The next thing is the Get Creative zipper pouch. Okay, this is something that's brand new, and you're going to get this in the charcoal print. Okay, so you unzip this thing all the way around, and the front section has a little pocket here. And then you open it up, and it is really cool. So you have different slots here. I have actually my highlighters, my Sharpie in there. Let's see, a blue pen, a black pen. There's an extra little slot here. You could use this for so many things, and your customers will love seeing this too. You could actually even use this if you're traveling. You could put your charging, your earbuds in here. You could put some pins in there if you need. If you're traveling, you could slide in this little section. This little section moves back and forth. It has a little clear pouch. I have my calculator in there, but you could easily put your passport in here, or makeup. This is great for makeup. So if you could put your mascara in here, your mascara primer, all these little different little things could be used for makeup. A nail polish could go in here. I mean, there's so many uses for this thing. Okay, so you flip this here, and then you have a little section right here where you can put something in here, like a mini iPad would fit in here as well. So this is the Get Creative zipper pouch. Okay, I'm going to zip it back up before all this stuff falls out. And then the last thing that is in this little $15 kit is the medium pack and zip cube. Okay, I actually have 2 pairs of capris in here and 2 very thick sweatshirts. I honestly kind of felt like I overpacked it. I'm like, oh my gosh, but I mean, it's still zipped up and it was great. And it has this little handle here. So this is the second option for the $15 enrollment, which is really, really cool. So you get actually 3 products here. This medium pack and zip. You get the Get Creative zipper pouch and the Fab Fob for $15, and if you enroll as a consultant with me. Or the first option is that Best Sellers kit, where you're going to get a large utility tote, and then you're going to get that Llama Littles Carry All Caddy, both of those for $15. So if you guys can do the math, the large utility tote is $35. This is $15. So, you know, that's $50 and you're getting it for $15. All right, then this is $22. This is $8. And that medium pack and zip, forgive me because I do not remember how much that was, and I'm going to look it up. The medium pack and zip was $20. So you get a really, really great value for this for $15. So if you're considering the 31 opportunity, maybe you need to make some extra money for Christmas time and you just want to do some parties online. This may be the option for you. If you just want to have some girl time, get out of the house and just have fun. I do a lot of parties at the Mexican restaurant. You know, you just come, have fun with your girlfriends, do a little shopping. You don't have to clean your house. Your hostess don't have to clean her house, and you have a great time and you make some extra money too. Or if you just love the product so much like me, you know, you get a 40% off year-round discount with 31. So if you just want it for the product discount, that's okay too. I'm here to help you however I can. If you want to make this your full-time job, I can help you get there. If you just want it, you know, to do things here and there, I help you as well. I help you however you'd like. So if you are interested in joining for that $15, if you want to get a discount maybe for Christmas gifts, I'm here to help you. So let me know. And I hope to hear from you soon. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, join my customer group on Facebook, and I'd love to connect with you. So have a great day, you guys.